Before you can get started, you'll need to register for an account. Then, choose and buy the right plan by clicking on the link below the video. Let's start now. Step 1. Download the app. Visit the website using your target phone's browser. Download the app from the website. Step 2. Install and set up the app. Open the downloaded file in the Download Manager and follow the instructions to start the installation. Click on Agree and enter your account and password. Provide the target's personal details as prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Appear over other apps. Click on Proceed to Settings in Display over other apps. Select TikTok service and open it. Display Google Play Protect. Click on the settings icon and close both icons. Click on Already Set and then click Yes. The following actions are the same. Activate accessibility. Activate data access. Activate app supervision. Activate notification access. Activate administrator access. Activate screen capture. Activate location access. Ignore battery optimization. Enable background running. If your device is a Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, or Vivo, you need to enable the background running feature as prompted. Enable auto start. Lock the app from Task Manager. Step 3. Verify setup and start monitoring. This is the whole installation process.